Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Follow this step-by-step guide to access your account seamlessly. Step 1. Open the login page. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the ActiveCampaign login page. You can do this by typing in the URL www.activecampaign.com/login. Step 2. Enter your email address. Once you are on the login page, you will see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your ActiveCampaign account. Step 3. Input your password. Next, you will need to enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that you enter it correctly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Step 4. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, locate the Login button. Click on it to proceed to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Final steps. Following these steps should successfully take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard, where you can manage your email marketing campaigns and automation effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.